Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook rainbow trout in an air fryer. Start by preparing your rainbow trout fillets. It's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that perfect crispy skin we all love. Next, lightly brush both sides of each fillet with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This not only adds flavor, but also helps the seasonings adhere. Finally, season them generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for a delicious base. Now let's get to the cooking. First, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures even cooking from the start. Carefully place your seasoned trout fillets in a single layer within the air fryer basket. If your fillets have skin, make sure it's facing up for maximum crispiness. Cook them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, adjusting the time based on their thickness. How do you know your trout is perfectly cooked? It should flake easily with a fork, and ideally, reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. A key tip is to never overcrowd your air fryer basket. This allows for optimal air circulation, leading to beautifully even cooking. For a burst of fresh flavor, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right after cooking makes all the difference. Your delicious air-fried rainbow trout is ready to be enjoyed. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of light side dishes. Consider serving it alongside some steamed green beans, roasted asparagus, or a crisp, fresh garden salad. To elevate your presentation, a simple garnish of fresh dill or parsley adds a lovely touch. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.